Introducing Printago's Maintenance Tracker, a structured way to create, assign, and track service intervals across every printer in your fleet. You create maintenance tasks, things like rail lubrication, bed cleaning, or air filter swaps. Each task has a trigger: print hours, calendar days, or job count. We ship pre-built schedules based on manufacturers' own recommendations for every supported model, so you don't have to figure out the intervals yourself. You assign tasks to individual printers or based on printer model. You can also tell Printago how far into the current cycle each printer already is, and specify warning thresholds for each maintenance task. The Fleet Status View displays all printers and tasks in one convenient location. Sort, group, or filter by printer, task, or status. The Timeline View gives you a detailed history of when maintenance was performed, and the Overview tab shows you the most pressing matters in need of attention. The Maintenance add-on also adds a maintenance section to each printer page, including some statistics, tasks, and task completion history. When a printer needs to come offline for service, click the Maintenance Mode toggle on the printer page. The dashboard and printer page will indicate the printer is in maintenance mode and no further jobs will be assigned to it until you place it back in service. Placing a printer into maintenance mode will not pause or stop any currently printing jobs. Maintenance warnings and overdue events route through your existing Printago notifications. If you already have notifications configured, just add maintenance events to your existing setup to receive them. Enable it under Settings, then Add-Ons, then Maintenance Tracker. Full documentation is at docs.printago.io. We're launching new features all the time. Sign up for free at printago.io.